My name is Sean Beck. I'm the Director of Professional Development at Wasatch I.T. We're a managed service provider, so we handle outsourced IT needs for companies. Whale was brought up during research by another colleague. We were in the market to find document management, more so with disseminating policies and knowledge-based information to our employees. We were trying to find a solution that would make it easy for the information to be sent out and verified that users read it and understood it. We also have internal technical trainings that we've created, and we're using Whale to send those out to the employees as they're reaching certain milestones to work on those certifications. The impact has been a good onboarding experience. We get all of that information sent out to new hires, and we can quickly see that they have read the information, and we can also get new information sent out as it's created. We see new hires get up to speed faster, and just more recently, I've had newer hires constantly give me feedback that they're enjoying the onboarding experience by the information that's given to them in Whale and just our overall process of bringing them up to speed.